What's up, guys? It's Mega Gaming here, and I am playing, what? Build Battle. I just had a brain fart there. Epic fail in the intro. So, it's been a while since I've recorded, so I was actually on vacation, and yes, for that long, I know. And I am back, and let's jump right in. Damn it! I'll be back when it starts. And we're back. Okay. So, yeah. Build battle. Never heard this. Okay. I apparently have to build a car. 1 second. Juke. Jesus. That is so loud. Okay. So we're gonna want, let's see, an iron block, coal block. Where is it? Where the frick is coal block? There we go. And some glass. Okay, so wow. I hate my mouse. There. That's just the beginning. Yes, the block of coal represents the tires. Jeez, this thing's loud. And I just turned it down for Pete's sake. Yes, I am very concentrated. Whenever I'm concentrated, I do not talk at all. I'm not kidding. So this is very unusual for me. It's been a while since I recorded. Sorry if you heard that. I really need to get out of vent. You guys probably heard of vent before. No. I never built a car before, so I do not know what I'm doing. Yes, I'm trying to make a 3D. Never built a car. Yeah, I'm gonna fail. Okay. I'm not that good of a builder, so yeah. Actually, 1 sec. Yes, I am doing this. My God, I did not mean to do that. And again, I'm not that good of a builder. Might as well just add the glass now. Ow, my ear. Damn it. I didn't get to finish. This would have been way easier right here. How do you even get in? Is there even a way to get in? Jesus. It's okay, I guess. Ow! My ear! Sec. This ain't a car. Well, sort of is. Ow. I didn't... It's good. Ow! My God! 1 second. Need to turn down something. There. That's what I usually have it at. And what the crap is this? It's poop.
Wow.
Ouch. It's good. It's good. It's good. Just wanted to see what it sounds like. Oh my God, why? Just why? My God. Freaking calculator, get out. I could not see. 1 second. There. I had to turn on the light. Whoa! Jesus Christ! Freaking fireworks! Ow! Ah! Ah, that hurt. Okay, I'm turning that down. Jesus Christ. My God. Jesus. I guess I'll do another round. Let's do it. But I gotta check the time on the video.